What's up, everybody? This is Jack Shaughnessy with Balsa Wood Bridge Building Group 5. And this is the Balsa Wood Bridge that I have built. I'm just going to go ahead and weigh it real quick. So it's weighing in at 18 grams. And this is actually a little bit longer than what was required. This is a 48 centimeter bridge. I know the span was only 30 centimeters, but just kind of based around the way that we ended up scaling our bridge when we had initially developed it, I wanted to use the same scale when I built this as the one that we submitted. So I ended up making it longer and taller than I was initially planning, or longer and shorter anyways. So yeah, we went with a Howe truss design. It has the little triangle pieces through there, and yeah, so according to the truss program we used, we initially had started with 2 equally distributed weights on either of these 2 trusses, the third one in from the bottom. And I went ahead and weighed these out before we got started, just to include all the math as we proceed. So the blocks themselves weigh 86 grams. I also went ahead and I picked out a few hardback books and then a few softbacks to put on top of that. And I went ahead and pre-weighed all of those, so I have a sense of how much they all work. I also have these handy little, these are loaf pans. I just found something that was level on the same side, same height. But yeah, so let's proceed. So I have this cookbook on Italian sauces. That is 794 grams. And then actually I'm going to level that a tiny bit. That way they're more parallel. Okay. Now I have a cookbook on classical sauces, and this one is 715 grams. So far so good. Then I'm gonna go with, I have this Calvin and Hobbes book. That's another 715. Actually, I made a mistake. The sauce book was 844 grams, and the Italian cookbook was 794. So the Calvin and Hobbes was 715. All right, so that will put us a little bit above a kilogram now. We're probably like 1.2 kilos at this point. And I'm gonna go with this one's 512. I was a little bit concerned. You can hear it starting to stress a little bit. If this is anything like the calculations that we took, the real stress points are on the top of this. So that one was 512, and I got a few lighter books over here as well. So we've got Children of Dune. That's another 200 kilos. And let's see here. We'll go with American Gods. Oh, there it goes. All right. So, could not take the last pressure point there. Let's have a looky here, though. Let's see what we got. Oh, geez. Yeah, so I got some breakage. I've got some breakage up there at the top on a couple different spots, a couple different truss points there, and then a little bit right here on the end as well, and on this end as well. So the calculations as far as the truss points on top being less stable were pretty accurate. And then I'm assuming that it broke on either side there because of the length of the bridge. If I was to give my own personal hypothesis on why the bridge snapped right there at the very start and the very end of the bridge. But yeah, so that was really exciting. I am going to do some calculations and figure out exactly what our rating will be for this given weight and the weight of the bridge, and then yeah, report back and try and make some adjustments on the next one. Anyways, it was fun. I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you.